National 5, 2014, Paper 2, Question 9. Let's go to a graph page and we're going to type in that expression. The question doesn't ask us to, but this is going to be a process by which we can check all of our workings as we go through this question. So there's the expression. If I do the graph of it, it looks very interesting like that. And what I can do is I can now type in what I think is the equivalent expression, and it should match the graph we've got already. So I think we're going to have to make both brackets, both fractions over the same denominator. So notice I'm having to put in the multiplication sign there. And if I make this to be 3 lots of x plus 5, and I can stick that all over x times x plus 5. When I press enter, it should be the same graph. It is. Everything's going well so far. So what I can do is I can just go back to edit this, and I could then just merge these two things together and have the numerator of 7x minus 3x plus 5, and just take out this whole second term, sorry. This should also agree. It does. I could then think about how I might multiply the brackets out. So 7 minus 3x, and it'll be minus 15 on the end. And it's still looking good. And I can then simplify the x terms. So that will be 7x minus 3x, that'll be 4x. Like so. We're going to go for the simplest form, so that looks, can we factorize that? It doesn't look as if I can take anything common out of 4x minus 5. We're going to leave it as that answer. And we know it's agreeing with the very first statement because the graphs are still sitting on top of each other. We're done.